Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to fix this issue class local not found. Okay, I'm getting this in CodeIgniter 4 and I'm trying to live my project on subdomain for the testing purpose from local or live. Okay, so I'm getting this. I'll just copy this and I'll paste this into the ChatGPT and you can see it will guide us what's the issue. So I know right now what's the issue, but I just want to, show you guys that how you can solve the issues. Okay, so here it says that the Intel extension is not enabled. Okay, and I know that's the issue, and I'll just go to the PHP multi PHP an editor and paste it here and just write the extension for that. As I have on subdomain, I have multiple subdomains in there and with multiple PHP versions, so that's why I need to use PHP multi PHP and editor. So let's go and see when this will fix now. So you can see guys, it's fixed now. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video.